Life is full of choices. A man's decisions pave ways for the kind of life he ever wishes. Many people think unwisely, solemnly ignoring the outcome of their decision, the repercussion possibly ready to be faced, if not to the decision maker, then to the unborn generation yet to exist. Kechi, I curse you this day. You shall be cursed in your entire life. As chaff before the wind, so shall nothing good ever come your way. You shall be engulfed with bitterness, hatred, anguish, agony shall be the water you will drink. Why did you not die in the womb? Or why giving birth to you? For accepting to live, I welcome you into agony and torture. When you finally grow into a woman, when opportunity begins to flow into your doorsteps, then shall my curse begin to ruin your life.
Sister? You're here sleeping.
What is it now?
You not check your time. It's getting late. Are you not going for the church program again?
What is...
Church program is for 8 a.m. Look at your time. 7 already.
Huh?
Yes.
7? Jesus! Good.
Now you're sleeping. You already know me.
Look at you! What have you ever done to prove loving me other than getting me pissed off all the time?
My love, I'm sorry. I promise it will never repeat itself again. Please forgive me.
Don't ever mention that again. Don't ever tell me that you're sorry! I'm not repentant being! That is who you are!
My love, please, I'm sorry. Please.
For the last time, do not call me your love again. For I am not your love!
What happened? Every time. from outside. I've been hearing you guys' voice. What is it? What is the problem this time?
My love,
What is it? What did you do?
Wait now, help me beg your friend. I'm sorry. Talk to her.
Beg her? Stanley, no! Beg her for what exactly? Why do you want me to beg my friend? No, Stanley, Chelu go to Chelu, come there. Is it that you enjoy making her angry? Eh? I don't understand.
No.
Do you enjoy it?
No, nah.
No, nah, what is it?
Nkechi, you can't say that about me.
Why will I not say that about you? Every time, cat and dog, here and there.
You know I've been doing my best, but let us not go into that one first. Just help me talk to her. Please, because... Please.
Like this. Oh.
Nkechi, are you going to talk to her?
Ella. Small thing like this. What is it? See, I understand how you feel, but you and I know you always forgive him anytime he plays with your emotions. What happens now?
What do you take me for? Nkechi, a fool or what exactly?
Oh, look on there. Well, being forgiving someone does not make you a fool. That's all I know.
Not when he's fond of defaulting and trampling on my feelings. He knows he will always be forgiving.
Hi.
Each time you pop into the picture, he knows that the reason is always acting up, treating me like a nobody.
Ozuko, but you know that's how he's supposed to be. I'm the friend of the family. If I don't talk to you, who will? Just forgive him. Please.
On the look of things, Stanley doesn't love me. He's not the only man in this world. I will just terminate this relationship and wait for the right man that will adore me, that will pamper me, that will show me off to the world without being ashamed of anything.
Ella, how many times did I call you? You and I know it's not possible. Yes, you both have sacrificed a lot into this relationship, so you can't break it like that. No, I won't watch it. Just forgive me. No.
Why is he doing this to me? Why? Is it that he's not proud of me? Or what?
How can you say he's not proud of you? You and I know that Stanley loves you. And you love him beyond compassion.
Seriously, I am just showing much love to the wrong person, to the wrong man. He doesn't reciprocate the love that I give to him. He doesn't.
But tell me, what did he even do this time that will warrant this kind of no? What did he do?
You won't believe it. You won't believe it, Nkechi.
Believe what? What? Tell me now.
You won't believe it. Stanley denied me before Father Francis yesterday that I'm just his sister.
Chimo, why now?
How am I supposed to know? He's always doing this. Each time he sees his friends, he will tell them that I'm just a family friend or a sister. Why is he always doing that? Why?
Stanley meteronka. Cha. But on the other hand, I feel he's not ready for marriage. Yes, because the fact that you both live together does not guarantee that you both are ready for this commitment called marriage. Marriage. Stanley don't want to be called a married man yet. That's what I feel, if you ask me.
Nkechi, I've had enough. I've had it up to this place. I'll just end this whole thing. I am tired.
Let's go inside. Forgive your man. Ella, be fast now. Let's go.
I am coming.
You go come out. Let's go. It's getting dark already.
Almost done.
Nkechi. Are you okay? What is it? Huh? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just a slight headache.
I'm sorry. Are you sure it will permit you going to the church?
I have to manage. I'll manage, don't worry.
Don't force yourself. Just relax if you can't make it to the church, okay?
I'll manage.
Okay. Let's go then.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Seriously, we're almost late. You need to listen up, yeah? You always the cross. I don't know why. Always going late. Don't be angry. It's not my mom. Your mom, yeah, this is your mom. Nkechi, I'm asking you this for the second time. Are you okay? You're always acting strange. What is it? Nkechi, are you sure you're okay? Okay. Then let's go now. Let's walk fast. Kaipo. So, I don't know what this. Nkechi! Nkechi, what is wrong with you now? Nkechi! Hey, Chimo. Nkechi, what is it? Nkechi, please, just stand up, stand up, stand up. Hey. Nkechi, stand up. What is wrong with you? Hey? Stand up, stand up. Hey. You just acting strange. Okay, I just complained that we are late. And this now. Eh? God, not now. Let's go. Keep scaring somebody. Just sit here first. Eh? You need to get yourself. Watch! Sit. You need to get yourself first. Sit. You'll be fine. Hey, Chimo.
Why are you doing this? I told you I'm fine. Okay.
You know what, Nkechi? I am no longer arguing with you on this. I will not anymore. Just happy that I am not the reason behind us going late for church.
Is there no standing coming?
Stanley, what are you doing here? Why did you follow us?
You know what I need, just give it back to me.
I don't understand. Give you what exactly?
Give me the 200 naira you took from the table. Just give it to me.
Just look at you. If I may ask, what will 200 naira do to me? Will you buy me slippers or what? Why accuse me of stealing your money?
Ella, I've told you countless times that you should not take my things without informing me. That money was budgeted for something more essential. And you know it. Eh?
Stanley, Stanley, you are getting me upset this minute. Please, go back to your house and look for your money very well. Go and look for your money. Or give me.
Ella, just give me this money, let me go. I don't have time for quarrel. Just give me this money, let me go. Give me that 200 naira now.
Ina chomoko. And I'm going to say this for the last time. I did not take your money. I did not take your money.
Then who took it? Who took the 200 naira I kept on the table? Who took it?
Don't worry, Stanley, it's okay. I'll talk to her.
Talk to who?
Kini.
Come.
If you have him, give me. Sorry. Stanley, just go. I'll talk to her. No?
No, I'm not going anywhere. She should give me that 200 naira. What is it?
But she said
Ella.
she didn't see the 200.
Ella, I know you took that money for offering. I know very well you took that money for offering. But just give it back to me.
I can never steal to give God. I will never.
Ella.
And you will not subject me doing that.
Ella.
How can I steal to give God? Makagini?
Ella, you see that 200 naira you took from that table, God will not hear your prayers, so if you use it for offering, God will not hear your prayers.
I thank you so much. Thank you for accompanying me home. You are a wonderful man.
It's okay, Papa. As a matter of fact, you don't have to thank me. I did what is expected of me.
Yes, I know, but I must do the needful. I mustn't desist from expressing appreciation when the time comes. You are such a wonderful person. I am grateful, and God will continue to bless you, my son. I'm so grateful.
It's okay, Papa.
Now, tell me, why did Stanley stay behind at the hospital?
Stanley had to stay behind to collect your medications from the doctor since you decided to come back home.
Really? Okay. Because as far as I'm concerned, a hospital is not a place one should go and sit. My experience of hospital is nothing to write home about. As far as I am concerned, the four walls of a hospital is repulsive to human life. However...
Papa, you see, the hospital is designed to help those that are not feeling too well to recover from whatever illness they might be going through, just as you are recovering now.
Yes, I know. But it is not actually the hospital that does the magic. To God be all the glory. But that is by the way. My experiences of hospital, a very nasty one. It happened when your friend's mother was to put to bed. 4 persons died in the same hospital.
What?
Yes, 4. In the same hospital. And I became so afraid. I was afraid because I didn't know if my wife will equally be part of those victims or not. But to God be the glory.
Yes, Papa.
My wife came out, my son came out. As a matter of fact, that experience till date has been fresh in my memory.
You know, God knows best, Papa. Doctors, they treat while God heals. God has the final say.
Yes, you are right, my son. That is why I said, to God be all the glory.
Always.
All right, thank you so much.
Papa, I will have to check my leave now.
Oh, so soon?
Yes, I will check up on you, okay? Maybe later.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
You are defending him again, Nkechi. For crying out loud, I am your best friend, of which I should stand a greater interest to you.
Nne, Chalukwa, because you're my best friend, mfu oji mkpo ya ocha. Maọbụ mfu ocha mkpo ya oji. Ela. So because you're my best friend, I should say yes where I'm supposed to say no, or say no where I'm supposed to say yes. Or gini do? Ella, please. I like being honest. Yes.
Definitely, you are not being honest here. You stood by to watch him insult me of stealing his money, which you know I did not.
Ella, he asked amicably you would refund the money. But you got offended. Nne, I did mean you did not see the money. Why not tell him instead of trying to instigate problem where there is none?
I resent ever having you as my friend. Not just my friend, but my best friend.
Oh, Ella. Ella, it hasn't gotten to that. I'm sorry.
The man crushing on you is approaching. Coordinate.
Hey.
Hi, Chibuzo.
Hello. Kedu?
I'm fine.
Good.
I will leave you two to get along, okay? Be nice.
Ogini.
Kedu?
Kedu, how am I? Are you not seeing that I'm perfectly fine? Chibuzo, how else do you want me to tell you that I am not interested in you? Kedifabo! Why are you disturbing me? What? How else do you want me to say it? That Chibuzo, give me a breathing space. See? What is it? Chibuzo, don't suffocate me.
Calm down now, eh? Get now. It has not got into this. And moreover, I am not a suffocator. I don't suffocate people. Neither am I here to deceive you. I just need one chance, just ofu chance. Bikon.
Chibuzo. No, tell me, how do you want me to explain it to you that I don't want you and I will never want you? It's that simple. Can you follow this boy?
Okay, get now. Calm down now. You're so much in a hurry. Listen, can we just be friends? Mutual friends. There's nothing in just friends. That's all.
No. Yes. No, Chibuzo, no! I don't want to be friends with you. I have best friend, and that's Ella. You know her. Excuse me.
Nkechi, calm down now. Ella is your female best friend. You need a male best friend in your life. Eh? You need a friend. Okay? Nimendugi. Nkechi, calm down now. We are not fighting.
Do not stop.
We are not fighting now. You are so much.
Naya?
Are you okay?
Mama.
Nkechi? This one you're staring at 200 naira note, okay? Are you okay? Nkechi?
I'm fine.
You're sure?
Ma?
Nkechi, the kiss are doing again. Nkechi?
Mama? Mama?
Ah!
Mama?
Nkechi? Nkechi?
My daughter, is everything all right? Why is your face like this? Is everything okay?
Papa, everything is not okay with Stanley. He's yet to become a full-grown man with common sense.
Please, be mindful of your words. Be mindful of your utterances concerning my son. I can condole every other thing, but definitely not a thing like this. Not you using abusive words. No, my son. I have been saying it. That both of you are not mature. Both of you are still very young to marry. Both of you are still too far away, arguing, quarreling over little things, over things that mean nothing.
Papa, Stanley should be blamed for whatever disposition I intend to exhibit. He should be blamed.
I am not going there yet. I am not passing judgment yet. Besides, it is not even necessary to pass judgment. The important thing is that two of you are involved. Both of you are not matured. So long as both of you cannot sit one-on-one, sort out whatever matter you have in between, and forge ahead. So long as you cannot do that, rather you prefer setting your house ablaze. Okay, but that is what I'm saying. The two of you are not matured. You are not ready for the marriage. It's very simple. I am not asking you who is faulty, who is not faulty. I am not going there yet. Because if you go there, I will tell you that you in particular, you are fond of flaying up over little thing, and you always lose it. You hardly comport yourself. You prefer to drag matter, to prolong issues over a long period of time.
Papa, so you are indirectly saying that Stanley is the good one while I am the bad one here. It's fine. I know where this whole thing is heading already. So what the law? God.
I have not said so. Don't push words into my mouth, Ella. I'm only saying, no trying say you man na boss about quachade. It all case ya quacha boss ebe manu. The way you run away with a white cloth from oil, that's same way you run away with oil from a white cloth. No, two of you are involved. Just let me have rest. When I'm going to eat anchor, allow me to enjoy my old age. What is your problem?
I don't understand. Why is taking you time to What do you want to do?
Sister, let's eat now.
Let's eat what? How many times have I told you anytime we want to eat, always bring washing hands, water, and drinking water? Ngwa.
I'll bring it after.
Come on,
eating. I'll bring it.
Are you mad? Come on, go inside and bring it. Look at this one. This man will bring it after eating. I'm feel that. Sister.
Sister, where's all the meat now? You just ate everything, ate all the meat inside the soup. How am I going to eat this thing without meat now? How can you just eat all the meat inside the soup? I cannot swallow this thing without seeing meat inside.
Ella, how are you doing?
Chibuzo, what is it? Please, I do not have time for pleasantries. If you have anything to say to me, go straight to the point and say it. I don't have much time to waste with you. I am not in a good mood.
It's okay, Ella. It's obvious you're off to somewhere, so I won't take much of your time, okay? Biko, Ella, Ejimaha Chineke na Yogi, please. I've been looking for an opportunity like this to air how I feel to you, so that you can pass the message to your friend Nkechi. I love your friend Nkechi, and I have come to have so much feelings for her, but she has totally refused to give me the listening ear, not even Ofunkpuru. Yeah? One ear, not at all. Just
Chibuzo.
Talk to her to accept, to listen to me.
Chibuzo, don't you know your way to her house? Find your way to her house now and profess all this love to her. Not getting me involved in all this.
Ella, you are Nkechi's best friend. And I want you as her friend to talk to her. You know how friends talk to friends, and they will listen, soften their hard hearts. Please. Gwanu Nkechi, Gwayana, I love her so much. I will not disappoint her. In this village, I will shower her with so much love. I swear. I'm telling you the truth. Biko, please.
Chibuzo, you are disturbing me. And I'm not cut out for this. Can I go?
Listen, Ella. You know, another thing that made me to come to you is this. It's because you are someone who is already in a relationship. You are loved. You have a man in your life. And can't you see how you're shining? You're looking good. You're always smiling. Eh? Don't you want your friend Nkechi to be like you? Eh?
Look at me. My name is Ella, not Nkechi. So find your way and then talk to her. Find your way to her. And let me also tell you this. Love is not to be forced. It comes naturally. You don't force it. And from the look of things, Nkechi has shown no interest in liking you. So let her be. Let her be.
Ella, calm down now. And the Bible says that he that finds a woman or a wife finds a good thing. I found Nkechi. And if I don't do what I'm doing right now, how can I make her understand that I want her to be mine? So you have to, Biko, right now, intercede on my behalf. Biko, please talk to her.
Please,
I'm begging you.
You have said enough. Oh, I'll try my best. I'll talk to her. Okay. Can I go now?
That's okay. Thank you.
Please don't take me yet.
Ella. Omalicha. God bless you. God bless you in advance.
Papa?
Yes.
You demanded for my presence.
Yes, I did.
Sit.
Stanley.
Papa?
There's this question I want to ask you. And I would want you to give me honest answers to the question. I believe you know what I mean by honest answers to the questions I want to ask.
Yes, I do.
Good. First and foremost, I want to ask you, do you love Ella?
I love Ella.
Okay. How much do you love Ella?
Papa, with everything in me, she's my better half. She completes my life, so...
Okay. That's fine. But secondly, I want to ask you, because there are some people, some young men will fall in love with a girl and without the intention of spending the rest of their lives with the very girl in question. I want to ask you, do you want to marry Ella?
Papa, it surprises me that you are asking the obvious.
Okay. It's fine. The session is over for now. You can return to your room and continue what you're doing.
Finish. Is that all? Papa?
Where is the food we are eating here now?
Food.
or some food? Where is the food or some food?
Sister, I thought you were done eating now. And besides, you made the whole mess of the food. You ate all the meat that Mama said that you and I should share. You don't even keep anyone for me. And sister, you did not even wash your hand after eating.
This man. My sister. I was having migraine, so I needed to rest my head. Go inside and bring my food.
Is there something you're not telling anyone in this house?
Chinenye, did I tell you that anything is wrong with me? Eh? If anything is wrong with me, I will tell you people. How can I be hiding it from you people? There's nothing wrong with me. Ogini did this girl. Go and bring food. Who owns the oranges?
It's for Mama. She asked me to peel them for her.
Where is she?
She went to the village council meeting.
Okay, go and bring food for me. I'm very hungry.
You still want to eat again?
Are you okay? Have I eaten? Don't be here ever. I said keep this thing here now.
But it's for Mama now.
I know. Keep it here. If you come back, we continue with what you're doing. Doesn't mean it's for Mama. Bring food for me to eat. What is wrong with me? That I eat without washing my hands. When did that one start?
Stop my own out. Not coming no more.
Papa?
Oh, yes. This is wonderful. Ella,
Papa.
thank you so much for that beautiful, that delicious meal. I enjoyed it.
Don't mention Papa. Hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, I did. As a matter of fact, you made me remember some time. You know, I enjoyed it. Yes.
Papa, it's nothing, eh? I'm just discharging my duty.
Well, it's okay, but it is not easy to cook good food. As a matter of fact, each time I eat your food, I remember some time in my past, but then needless going backwards. Thank you so much. Yes, keep it up.
Thank you, Papa.
Yes.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, Agum. Okay, and your face, you look good. When I say, why is your face like somebody who chewed a raw coconut? I hope you enjoyed your own meal.
Okay, the food.
And the food, yes.
Delicious.
Papa, he enjoyed it so well.
It's okay.
Whether it's coming from me.
It's okay. I want to say congratulations. Because each time I eat a food, I remember your late mother, the delicacies and all the rest of them. And congratulations, because you have gotten a replica of your mother.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Yes.
Hey.
The only thing I will add is always learn to make her happy, appreciate her, because Nibos known I told you can always have it at your fingertips to appreciate her or any other person, no matter how little the kindness done to you. Always show appreciation, particularly herself.
Thank you, Papa. Now, wire.
Papa. Bedtime.
Huh?
Yes, I need to go and sleep. Tomorrow will be very hectic at work. Angela Lola.
Can the government worker? Eh? By this time, bedtime. Ooh.
It's all right. Like I said, keep it up and remain good. It is always good to be good.
Thank you, Papa.
Yes, can be a common can. Also, Divya will also Divya. Can be my son. No, let me check his face. I am not too comfortable.
Well.
There is no one like you. Halle, halle, halle.
Onye? Nkechi. Chioma.
Look at you. Are you not going to the night vigil with me?
I'm exhausted. I feel weak and tired at the same time.
You feel weak and tired at the same time. My dear, go inside and bring your Bible and your headset. Let's go to the church. We go.
Oh, I'm tired.
My Bible. Ah, Ella, I've left my Bible at home.
What? Which Bible?
My Bible now.
Your Bible? Is it not your Bible you are carrying?
My Bible.
Then the Bible again? Look at your Bible. Oh, you brought oranges for me.
Pikonyemo, give me. The kind food I ate this night, this orange will go a long way. So it will digest everything. It's okay.
Hey. So sweet.
Very sweet.
Sweet. Sweet. Sweet. Nkechi. As it is right now, see, just pass the night with me and let's stay back today.
Yes, we should not go to church.
Is it not night vigil we are supposed to go? Let's leave it for another Friday when we go. You need rest. Look at you, you're looking stressed. You need rest.
I don't think I need that rest.
Nobody will know. Tomorrow morning, you go back to your house. Yes. Nobody will know. Or will you tell them that you didn't go to night vigil? Will you tell them?
I'm not sure.
Will you tell them which one is you're not sure?
I'm not sure now.
Pico, just rest, oh? But the orange, you brought it for me now. Let me have the remaining two. Come on. This orange will digest all this food. Hey! Let me have the remaining two. Now orange.
Nenye! Nenye, come on to your sister!
Ma, welcome.
Where's your sister? Where's your sister?
Hey, Mama, she went for a night vigil.
Where are the oranges I asked you to peel for?
Mama, the oranges, I kept them here. 5 of them. I kept them here. I'm very sure.
5 of them.
Mama, is there a ghost in this house now?
There's only one in the plate.
Maybe Sister Nkechi took them.
Yes. Please. You and I know that Nkechi hates oranges. So she just changed overnight and started licking oranges. Eh?
No, Mama, I fixed Nkechi took them. You know, change is constant. She started licking the oranges.
So you're not pointing accusing fingers at your sister. She changed overnight and took all the oranges and left one. Okay? That is what you're saying now?
No, not really, Mama.
So why do you take this bag in from me? Now, Akiwa Balom. Mama refrain after. Take this bag.
Mama, wait, Mama.
Come and get out of here.
No, you don't lick your orange.
Cut oranges from me. Nacha finished all the oranges in the house. Kept one orange for her mother. Anon Pama. You better come and finish this one too.
Jesus, who did this to you? Come.
Mama slapped me.
Jesus. Mama, what did you do?
Mama said that I had all the oranges. She asked me to peel for her. Sister, why will I even lick all the oranges? Now Mama asked me to peel for her. Why? Why will I do a thing like that?
It's okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Just take the Bible inside. Let me do the house chores for you. Oh, just go inside and rest. Oh, stop crying. Oh, ne, stop crying. Oh, ma.
She will soon come home.
Okay, Mama.
I only go time Moji another. Okay. Oh, only neku makia bata.
Oh, Mama, good afternoon.
Hi, Nkechi. Kedu? Mama, you've seen it. Eh? This is what Nkechi has been doing to me. Eh? Each time I try talking to her, she would just snub me and walk away.
If I book an age love, oh, one can be complicated. But don't worry, if you date and continue, become persistent in what you're doing with time. Yeah, what a feature.
Mama, that time is what I don't have. Eh? Mama, time waits for no one now. I've been approaching Nkechi for a very long time. Oh. It's not today something. Oh. I even had to talk to her friend, Ella, to convince her, but all to no avail.
My daughter is no longer a child. If I had one work and I cannot tell her whom to love and whom not to love. But I promise you I will still talk to her.
Mama, thank you. Thank you. I'll be very, very grateful. Wow.
Mana, one question. Do you really love my daughter?
Mama, inachukwaju. Mama, if I don't love Nkechi, what will give me that morale to boldly come here and make my interest known to you, Nkechi's mother? I love her.
Okay. Okay? You see, the thing is that I want an ideal man for my daughter. A man that is understanding, compatible, passionate, that would make a good husband. I can't go quite the room. I can't make it from kitchen mama or the special.
Mama, you don't have to worry about anything. There is no man on this earth that can be more ideal and better for your daughter Nkechi than myself.
Hey, oh the guy, organisator, yes, Mama. Well, when she comes back, later I will speak to her on your behalf.
I promise to be the best son-in-law.
Oh, that would be wonderful. That would be wonderful.
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
Mama,
Hey, bam. How can you do that? Hey, no. This is temptation. Why? If the money is meant for me, no. Please put it back. Oh, Mama, I don't want. It's not nice now.
Mama, don't worry. I made up my mind to, I'm trying to do something. I want to go. Mama, manage this.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
Mama, I'll come back next time. I'll surprise you. Manage it, Mama.
Nna. Tell what? What do you want? If I hit 1,000, I'm going 500. Did you mean? I'm going to get changing money.
In my own day.
Mama, please don't even start. Mama, do you know it is very wrong to talk someone into choosing a life partner? What
are you saying, not wrong? No, why wouldn't it be, ma? Nobody is forcing you to choose a life partner.
Mama, you are forcing me
now.
No, I
am not.
You are forcing me now.
No, how can I? You are an adult. I can't force you into choosing a life partner. All I'm saying is don't prolong whatever your answer would be, whether yes or no. There's a mad like, you have all the time in the world. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, I'm going. I've heard you. But just know that I'm aware of everything you're saying.
I don't know, because let me just tell you. Time waits for no one. You got to get. And in case you do not know, a young woman's life or a young lady's life is like a flower. Oh, it blossoms in the morning, and by evening it withers away. Yes, it withers so eager, that time waits for nobody.
At least there's still time for me. I'm not getting you. I'm not old yet.
You're getting old, in case you don't know. And do not forget that saying that opportunity knocks but once. Hello, Sonia. Yes.
Mama, have you forgotten that I am a child of God? A devoted one at that. So opportunities will always come knocking for me.
Let me tell you something. You see this young man we're talking about, Chibuzo. Chibuzo is a good man, God-fearing. And look, he has enough money to take care of you. He can't take care of you. And he's ready to work harder by the time he marries you.
Mama, are you the one saying this? Mama, do you know, it baffles me how Chibuzo would come here and talk to you. And you're here talking me into accepting him. Mama, just like that. Chibuzo that you did not even know from anywhere.
Oh, Sister Nkechi, I feel Chibuzo is a good guy. Why don't you give him a chance?
I can't fight Nancy. Look at this one. What do you even know? You think engagement is all these things you do with all these boys in this street?
Let me tell you something. Rapakene street boys. Nami, I know Chibuzo is not, so rich that he has fleet of cars, houses all over the place, business. But that man will make you happy. That's the bottom line.
Mama, what is all this? Mama, what is all this? Chibuzo, you don't know it from anywhere. See, Mama, let me tell you something you don't know about your daughter. The appearance of a man does not guarantee my love for him. No. Yes, I can live with either a poor or a rich man. Okay. Yes. Love is what matters to me, not all these things you're telling me.
Chibuzo loves you. Chibuzo loves you. Chi loves you. By the time you start calling him Chi boy now, oh yeah, Leon.
Mama, leave her alone. Why are you cajoling her to
because I'm trying to, Chibuzo, what are the pet names, guys? It's either Chi boy, or Bobo, or so.
I wasn't expecting you. You're welcome. Let's go inside.
Inside where? Since when? Huh? Inside where? You must be hallucinating. Sim, let's go inside.
I can't remember doing anything wrong. Have I done anything wrong?
Chibuzo, you have done everything wrong. Chibuzo. How many times did I call you? Chibuzo, stay away from me. What is it now? What did I do wrong to deserve all these things? I said I don't want you. How else do you want me to say it? Chibuzo, I've had it up to here. I'm choked.
Well, listen, just please calm down, okay? Calm down. Is there any problem?
Just calm down. Chibuzo, there is problem. Chibuzo, stay away from me. And this is the final warning I am here to give you. Chibuzo, stop going to all the people that I know, brainwashing them that you are the perfect man for me. Chibuzo, I know what I want. I know the man I want, not you. Chibuzo, I told you this thing yesterday, that I don't want you. I am telling you today, I will not want you. I am still telling you again tomorrow that I will never want you. Chibuzo, what is it? What is it? Am I the only woman in this village? What is your problem? This is the final warning. You don't even have anything to say other than stay away from me. Rubbish. I'm warning you. I'm not joking about this. I'm warning you. This is the last warning I'm giving you. Rubbish. Am I the only woman in this world?
Nkechi is a shining light. I can't afford to let go. I have tried everything a man in love would do to own anyone he idolizes. Yet, the story never changes. No adjustment, not even a green light. Ah, God, show me the way. I must win Nkechi's heart. I am not relenting on this. No, I will not.
Do you have any explanation?
I'm lost.
My instinct tends to be right, but I need to clarify that. Let me go talk to her. I'll be right back. Nkechi, it is not that bad. You're just overreacting.
Overreacting? Over what exactly? Tell me, why is it very hard for Chibuzo to understand the fact that I don't love him? He keeps showing his ugly face everywhere I go. Nne, if I go to the farm, Chibuzo. If I go to the church, Chibuzo. Even to the market, Chibuzo. I am tired of it, for crying out loud. What is all this?
Can't you see?
See what?
Only a man with unadulterated feelings for a woman can go this extent for a woman that he loves.
Ella. Ella, again, Wapa. Ella, I remembered vividly when you started this your love journey with Stanley. It was never like this. No, it was not one-sided. Yes, for the fact that I don't feel the same way he feels about me shows that I don't love him and will never love him.
Listen, you are my friend. You will learn to love Chibuzo when you finally give in to him. He's a good man.
Ella, don't misquote me. I never said he's a bad person. I didn't say that. I didn't say it. I am only saying that I don't love him. It's simple now. Am I not old enough to know what I want? Or do you know?
Honestly, I am tired of this whole drama between you and Chibuzo. I am just tired.
No, I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem one bit. It's Chibuzo that is complicating everything. He's trying to make me look like a bad person in presence of everybody. Which is not nice, and I'm not finding it funny. Give me.
As it stands right now, my hands are tied. I don't know what to do anymore. So please fix yourself. You are a grown woman.
Thank God you said I'm a grown woman. That's to show you that I know exactly what I want in a man when I see one. Just help me go back to Chibuzo. That nonsense Chibuzo. Tell him that I don't love him. He should look for somebody else.
It's fine.
I'll talk
to him. Okay? Can we help Mama out in the kitchen? She's about to cook.
No. Leave me. I'm tired. I had a hectic day. Let's go.
Chibuzo, how are you?
Fine, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good to see you.
Yes, ma'am. I was actually going down the street to buy something.
I am actually coming from my friend's house.
Oh, okay, Mama. That's good.
Oh, nah.
Yes, Mama.
Chibuzo, I know that you want to marry my daughter. I know how you feel about her, but she's resistant. She doesn't like you. And I would say just let it go. Because there's no point getting married to somebody and at the end of the day, the marriage will not work because there is no love.
Yes.
Man, if you insist, no problem. If she agrees at the end of the day, okay. But I'm saying my own because I don't want troubles at the end of the day.
It's okay, Mama. I really appreciate Mama for not at least accepting me in the first place, not to have disregarded me.
Disregard you. You are free to come to my house anytime you want. Because
thank you, Mama.
Because you're my son.
Thank you, Mama. I really appreciate Mama. Thank you so much. Let me be on my way now.
Okay, all right.
Dalu, Mama.
Oh, Dalu, have a great day.
Okay, Ma.
Hi. Nenu wabu so mana agbambo. Nkechi se mba. Abadolo me amba for gini. Obo lambu young girl. Angali ku ife mmemme.
Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Who will bell the cattle? Who knows where they start so? These are the many, many.
Are you sure of what you are telling me?
Mama, I'm very sure. I am very, very sure. Eh? I don't understand what is wrong with Sister Nkechi at all. She acts so disorganized, so weird, like something is after her.
Ay, Bamba. You shouldn't allow your thoughts go that far. No.
Mama, I am confused. Yeah, sometimes she acts so lost. Another moment she's acting so shocked. I'm trying to figure out what the problem is.
I think I understand what you're talking about now. Because I've noticed that when she's surprised, she acts strangely.
Yes, Mama.
But I didn't think twice about it because I figured that, people act, when they're surprised, they act differently. It's inherent in human beings. Man, I care for when they're called, so maybe...
Mama, maybe there is something Sister Nkechi is not telling us. I think she's hiding something from us.
One can hide it. But you know what? Before we jump into conclusion, I think it's best we try and investigate this matter. Let us observe her secretly. Mama and I now observe here to see really if there's something wrong. Don't let her know that you're observing her.
Okay.
More can you puku my own.
Oh, Mama, imagine the other time. Sister Nkechi was eating. The next moment, she disappeared, went into the room and slept off. With her hands unwashed, Mama.
Kesi Kunisilaro? How were you able to sleep with her?
I didn't too. She did not wash her hands after eating. How?
She went to bed with her cat.
She went there and just slept off.
Hi! Hello, my pal.
Chibuzo. Nane kwanko. Chibuzo, what obstacle are you going through? What is happening? You asked me to buy you chilled beer. Here is the chilled beer. You are not shaking your body. What is it? Or is it that you don't want to tell me anything?
Right now, I am only a man whose love is not reciprocated by the woman he loves. I have come to love Nkechi so much. But her hate for me keeps increasing by the day. I don't understand.
Chibuzo, women are tough. My only opinion here is for you to back out.
Back out? Omamme, I'm not backing out anywhere. Not for my Nkechi.
Omamme, except you want to keep chasing a shadow that vanishes when it's dark and reappears when it's daylight. Nkechi will never consider you. She will never accept you. It's not possible.
Stanley, you know, I am beginning to think, which side are you on? Because I came here as my paddy. I came here to meet you as a friend and as a brother. If you will be able to give me scope on how to win Nkechi's heart. But the reverse is the case. Rather, you're telling me to leave my Nkechi, Bia.
Chibuzo, you are very funny. You are very, very funny. You see, all these girls, all these ladies, all these women, they are the same. Some are like Pancanel, even harder. It takes only the grace of God to capture a good woman, a pure woman. Only the grace.
Nkechi is pure.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me ask you. What do you suggest I do now?
I still insist you back out. You need a stress-free relationship. That is what you need. You're my friend. I'll tell you the truth. Anyways, since you are going through a lot, I will take care of your chilled beer.
Oh, you want to drink my beer?
Yes, of course. Let me
back. I'll say so. Remove your hand. Since you can't say anything reasonable, not even a scope.
What
You
scope?
want to drink?
I thought you are going through a lot.
I thought you are going through a lot. I thought you were together in this a lot. But now you have segregated, you have separated yourself. No problem.
So beer,
drink your beer, let me drink my beer.
This beer. But you need to back off. I'm telling you.
I'm not backing off anymore.
What are you doing with my purse?
Your purse?
And my money.
And your money?
And my money.
Where is it? Mama, where did you keep it?
Nkechi,
where did you keep it?
You stole from my wallet.
Mama, me!
Will you bring it out? Hurry. What's going on?
Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Who will bell the cattle? Who knows where they start so? These are the many, many questions I keep on asking myself. Who knows why I'm like this? Who knows the sense of my ordeal? Jukwoki kebiakeno. One came on this itch. Good even melune no one beludoi. Jukwoki kebiakeno. Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Wabia legendo. Wabia legendo. Wabia legendo.
I will make you a signature of beauty. Anything you want, you will get it. Be it hair, clothes, handbags, makeups, even Gedo. If you need waist trainer, I will buy it for you. Anything affordable in this life, you will get it. And you are the only happiness I have in this world. And losing you is not an option. I'm in love with you. Yes.
Stanley! Why are you having a conversation with over the phone?
Baby, you're back.
Answer my question. Oh, you have another woman somewhere, right? No, you have been seeing another woman! And I never knew!
Babe, you are getting it all wrong. It's not what you think.
Stanley, I caught you in a romantic call with a lady. You stand here telling me to my face that I'm getting it all wrong.
This is one problem I keep having with you. You don't trust me, not even one bit. I'm so filthy before you. I'm also an unfaithful partner. That is what I turn out to be.
Stanley, were you not on call with a lady? Can you deny that?
You know I'm just managing you in this relationship. You know, right? Because you are giving me stress. You're
managing me, Stanley. You said this to my face that you are managing me. Hey. Mama, can I manage me like this? Eh? Can I manage Stanley? Oh. Okay.
I have heard all you said, my daughter. Manam Cheju and Hakarobas. You don't condemn a day until the day is over. I would like to hear from Stanley when he comes. So after hearing his own version of the story, I will now know the next line of action. So please don't be angry. Let us wait for Stanley to arrive first. Okay, on that one kita amputa.
Oh yeah. Who will tell the cattle? Who knows where they start so? These are the many, many questions I keep on asking myself. Who knows why I'm like this? Who knows the sense of my ordeal?
Yeah, you're not going to market.
One came on this itch. Could even melune no one beludoi. Jugwa ki gebyan oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wabia legendo. Wabia legendo. Wabia legendo. Wabia legendo.
Stop it! Stop!
She has not. I don't think she has been telling me the truth about Nkechi. I think there is something Mama is not telling me. But Nkechi needs to accept me. Because as it stands, I am the only one that can help her find a solution to whatever the problem may be. It is well. Let me go there. I'll find out for myself. I'll find out for myself. Hey, oh boy. Ah, Mama. Good afternoon.
Hey, welcome. Good afternoon. Oh, very well, thank you.
What's going on?
No, nothing, it's just where
Mama?
Yes? Onions.
Nkechi now says onion.
No, we are trying to know which one will be good for perfume.
Perfume?
Smell it.
Like onion perfume or what?
That is it. Onion perfume.
She has...
That is, if you put it inside, the smell will be stronger. You will put here. Yes.
Mama, this...
Smell it now. If very strong, okay?
What are you trying to do? Ella, to where do you want to go from here? This time of the night?
Anywhere, Papa. I am leaving this house tonight. I have had enough of Stanley. I am leaving.
My daughter, it has not gotten to that level. It has not. You can't just get up, pack your bag and you're stepping out of the house this night for no obvious reason. It's not as if anybody is chasing you out of the house.
Papa, I don't care. I am leaving this house tonight. I need my peace. That is all I want.
No, but it is late. You know that. It is very, very late. Okay, now, can we just allow Stanley to say a word?
My God, at those times where I listen to his flimsy lies and believe his explanation whenever he makes a flaw, my eyes are now open. Very open, Stanley.
Listen to me, Ella. I am not saying what my son did was right. But you will not crucify him for that. You understand? That's the way you adjust life, and then life goes on. Let us hear him say something at least.
Papa, I don't have anything to say. Ella can go ahead and do whatever she likes.
Stanley?
Yes. What matters to me now is my inner peace, as much as she does.
Papa, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Listen, Stanley, I am done with you. I can never stoop so low into compromising my value all in the name of having a relationship with a fickle man like you. You know what, Stanley? You can keep those bluffy promises to yourself, or better still, feed them to some other girls who care to listen. Nonsense.
Ella, Ekwapo, onyoza akwata. Ekwapo, onyoza akwata.
Stanley.
Papa.
Stanley.
Papa.
Find a way to go after her. You must find a way to go after her.
Papa, I will. But she has to be calm. I don't just like her domestic lifestyle. She's always perfect. Always the right one. But now.
The thing is, that is natural with women. She is only trying to protect her man. That's just it. For reasons best known to her, she wouldn't want to share her man with any other person. But let me ask you, by the way, who were you actually on call with? Tell me the truth.
Papa, I was talking to Chibozo, my friend. I was giving him, or rather telling him some words a man can use on a woman, and the woman will love him. That was it. And she came into the picture and listened. Understood everything.
Okay. You've now become a lecturer. How men win women. Okay, you were giving him words like
making a woman, how to make a woman beautiful, buying her shoes, bags, promising, all those kind of love words, telling her you love her, that she's the whole world, that was it though. So like
Stanley, I don't give a damn. All this you've been saying, I don't give a damn. All I know is do the best you can for yourself. Go after her. Go bring her back. Very simple. It is too early for a young man like you to have a breakup in your life. What are you talking about?
This is unbelievable. I fully understand the reason Nkechi has been turning down my proposal. I have been blindly making advances over a possessed girl all this while. What a world. But I still feel something deep for her. Ah, God.
Let me just tell you, if with these crocodile tears you shed, we're not interested to see the color of your tears. Neither are we interested in knowing how you look when you cry. All we need now is an explanation of what is going on.
Mama, I don't even know what is happening to me. I don't know. It is mystical and beyond comprehension. Mama, I don't know. I don't know.
My problem is that when you start all this nonsense, you start speaking big grammar. Gaming in kitchen. In a story. Yes. Mama. You're a thief in kitchen.
Mama.
Yes. You're a thief. So, it is best for you to start explaining yourself to us. Let us understand what you're up to. This sudden change. Just explain it to us yourself.
Mama, I don't know. I swear I don't know. I know nothing.
I don't know. Let me tell you, it's not touching anybody.
I don't know anything.
This, your attitude is very embarrassing. It's embarrassing this family. You know the other day, Chibuzo actually witnessed what you did. Oh, the Chibuzo. You thought that was beneath you. You thought you were superior. I'm glad when he got home, he was so excited, thanking God that he never accepted his proposal.
Mama.
Okay,
take it easy.
Take what easy?
It's okay, take it easy, calm down. See, let me tell you, we are one big family. Whatever it is, please, tell us. It's safe.
How else do you want me to tell you people that I am fine? I'm fine! I don't know what is wrong with me. I am fine, Mama.
Don't raise that ababonu. Don't raise that ababonu, because if I start shouting now, the whole world will hear. Let me ask you one simple question. Did you go near any woman's husband?
Mama!
Papa!
Mama, how can you say that? Mama, me!
It's okay. Mama, it's okay.
It's
okay, please.
Onyakwa. Oh, who is there? Who is there?
It's okay now. It's okay. Tell her.
Hello, what happened?
Jalopao. If I'm crying competition,
come and sit down.
Oh, get a beefer. Please, Ella.
Talk to me.
Stop that crying, because
are you okay?
If you know how you look, crying, if you
Ella,
know how you look.
Okay? Talk to me. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Nezani Rufa.
Seriously, I regret ever wasting my time with Stanley.
Ella, you know I will always tell you the truth. You see, in this life, when you want to make a move, you think from different perspectives.
Oh?
What do you mean?
What I meant is simple. Ella, you know your story already. When your father died, Stanley was there for you. Your mother died months after. Who was there with you? Stanley. When your relatives and your uncles sent you out of your father's compound, who accepted you? Same Stanley. My sister, Stanley has sacrificed a lot for you. I just want you to calm down. You leaving the house is not the best option.
I had to. That was all I could think of at that moment.
Look at this one. I know you. I know you more than you know yourself. Yes. I know when you get angry, how you react to anger. I know. Whenever you get angry like this, I don't know, maybe there's this beast that always possesses you. You leaving the house is not the best. It's okay.
Yes, I know that he helped me. But that doesn't mean I am a slave to him. Yes, we had an intimate relationship from the beginning. So I won't allow him take advantage of helping me to gradually place my heart on stress.
It's okay. What's good name? Nobody is calling you a slave. I only reprimanded you of leaving the house like that. I think I'll speak to Stanley tomorrow morning. Oh? You know you're always welcome to my house. Just relax. Oh?
Thank you.
Relax. Let me look for something and get for you to eat. Oh? Stop crying. Mama will come now. Ask you what is it.
It's okay.
Stanley, please, I beg you. Don't stay mad at Ella for that long. Oh? Forgive her.
Ella is just an ungrateful human. But to be honest, I don't have any problem. Yes, I'm an understanding boyfriend. So she can come back anytime she likes.
But Stanley, why do you always subjugate her by aggression? The way you treat her.
Nkechi. I appreciate your coming at the first place. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But the essence of you coming here is for peace and not war. So be mindful of your words that will trigger anger.
What is there now? What did I say wrong? I only say you should treat your girlfriend right. Stanley, calm down. No. I knew when all this, your love and this thing started. I knew when it started.
So what are you trying to say? What are you insinuating?
What I am insinuating is simple. She's your girlfriend. You love her and she loves you too. Treat her right. Treat her right. Do like a matured man. Behave like a matured man.
From no Ziggy. She sent you to come here and talk rubbish. You just be able to but read my lips. I am not one of those callous boyfriends that treats their girlfriends anyhow they like. I'm a very lovable boyfriend. Yeah. I take care of my girlfriends. Equal rights. So don't come here and be talking nonsense.
That's an imagination yet to come. Are you treating her right and she's complaining? Wham! Go on and tell sugar no bopo. Treat her right.
So what are you saying?
Treat her right.
I should treat her right?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
You can always ask me.
Have you ever been in love before?
Love?
Some love. Have you ever loved a man before?
In love?
Love.
No. But that's not what we are talking about here.
Exactly an undisputed reason for me not to blame you. Because you've never tasted love before. A man if I come I can love.
Wait.
So stop proving why over what you know nothing about.
Did I come here for you to insult me?
I am not insulting you. I'm only advising you. Don't talk about love. You've never had experience before. When it comes to love, you don't know anything. So am I using all okay? Stop it. But if at all you want to know about love, you can go and accept Chibuzo. But if you ever call my love, Oga.
Stanley.
Love, love, love. Do you know about love or semomba? So how do you expect me to sit down here and be discussing with you? A novice like you that doesn't know anything about love. Or you get one in kwapo, onyo oza akwata. Or so siya biye wolo.
Shouldn't have come yourself.
Control yourself. Nkechi, control yourself. Nkechi. Nkechi.
Okay. What's the problem?
I'm so worried. I'm worried about Sister Nkechi. If this predicament goes viral, Mama, we're going to be object of shame and ridicule in this village.
What do we do now? I think the best thing is for us to investigate this problem. Get to the root of it and solve it before people get to know.
Mama, you're talking about people getting to know about it. You and I know that Ella talks too much. And she stays with us now. If this Sister Nkechi's condition goes out there, we cannot face the embarrassment, the humiliation that will go with it.
What are we supposed to do about Ella? We can't send her away. She's already here with us. Mama,
if this girl continues to stay here or she says anything she's seeing here out there, the humiliation and embarrassment that will go with it, Mama, we cannot stand it too.
God forbid. My family can never face any embarrassment and shame. If I may ask, do you have any solution to this problem?
Mama, that's why I'm confused. I have been thinking. I don't know what to do.
Nkechi, you're my only hope of getting Stanley. Please. I want you to talk to him on my behalf, please.
Ella, it's fine. It's fine. Stop crying. You know, you're my best friend. There is nothing I can't do for you. Just tell me, what do you want me to do for you?
I want you to tell him to forgive me. Tell him that I was wrong and he was right. Tell him that I am ready to come back home. Just that I'm unsure if he wants me back. Please tell him all this so I can know my fate. Please.
It's fine. He actually said that.
What do you mean?
He said that you can come back to the house anytime you feel like. But he didn't chase you. He didn't pursue you to anywhere. You are free to come back home anytime you choose to come back home.
I just want to be sure. Please go back.
That I should go back to Stanley.
Yes.
Will that make you to stop crying?
Yes.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I'll do that for you.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me.
Oh! Oh! Nkechi! Nkechi now! Nkechi! Nkechi, step! Oh! Wait now! Oh! Nkechi na come now! Wait! Oh! Wow!
Because now where you toss it so? Nkechi. Okay, though. Is this how you are? Eh? You betray your own friend. Nkechi. Your own friend.
I told you that she has been trying to get me seduced. Your own trusted friend. Just look at it. She almost raped me here. She was trying to sleep with me.
Baby, I saw everything. You don't need to explain all this to me. My best friend. You startled me instantly.
I thought you were not going to come after the call.
I miss you. That is the honest truth. Stanley.
Why?
My love. Obim.
Hey!
I am deeply sorry. I promise not to overreact unnecessarily. I forgive you too. I just want us to start all over again. But this time around, let's build something stronger that no one can come in between us. No one can divide us. No quarrel, no misunderstanding. Let's love up again. Okay?
My Ella, you know I love you. And I will always do. Despite our misunderstandings.
Thank you. I love you more. So, why did you call me out to this quiet arena?
To inform you about your so-called friend.
I don't understand. What about her?
Nkechi is fighting wholeheartedly to take your place in my heart.
What?
Yes. She tried seducing me today.
That's a lie.
Okay.
Nkechi, my friend, will never do such a thing. She's an ardent believer that will not dispose such acts.
You don't know. Okay. This is the game. Pretend we never met after our misunderstanding. Then devise a means of convincing her to come and talk to me again. Then you'll be shocked with the response you will get. Yes, just go. Go and convince her. If not that I held myself so strong, kai, if not I'm man enough, hey, you would have lost your boyfriend. For me, I'm a boyfriend material. You cannot easily succumb for seduction. Just try it. Let us play this game. You will see she will fall now. She was trying to force herself. Like, it's not my big breast now.
Did this to me. She betrayed me. For doing nothing.
I told you.
To her.
But I told you now. I told you. Your trusted friend. That girl. You don't know how.
You know, at first I doubted you. I thought you were joking. Now, I can see with my own eyes.
I'm just coming back from a lot.
God.
Huh?
God.
This girl is terrible.
What is it?
Chibuzo! Hey! Chibuzo, what are you doing in my mother's house? Chibuzo! Chibuzo, what is it? What is it?
Get up! Stop it! What do you think you're doing? I said relax. Nkechi, what is your problem?
My problem is for you to go to your house, Zo. Chibuzo, it's that simple.
Okay, fine. Just sit down. Calm down. Just calm down.
Chibuzo, Bini.
I said calm down.
Bini, honest him, calm down. Bini and go home.
Calm down now.
Calm down. My mother will soon come out. Chibuzo, go home now.
You are not a child.
Are you okay? Alright. I'm just worried about your sister.
Me too. I'm tired.
These things happening here. Omaraka.
Okay, Mama. Just take it easy, eh?
Oh, help us.
Don't know what else to do. I'm even confused.
You're just as confused as you are. I'm really worried. Opwa. Better come it.
Hey! Ma, not again. Not again. I'm tired. I am tired. God! What kind of problem is this? God, please! God, please! for my sister. Oh, Sister Nkechi has ever done all her life is to worship you. All she has ever done was praise you. God, why are you up there quiet? Are you no longer God?
Yes.
Are you no longer God?
Yes, Father.
You're the same God of yesterday, today, tomorrow, forevermore. God, you said that in your word that when we ask, it shall be given. You said when we seek, we shall find.
Yes, Lord.
Lord, come through for my family. We cannot fight this battle alone, God. We are tired. God, please. God, please come through for my family. Come and save Sister Nkechi.
Amen. Amen.
God, please, I beg you. God, I beg you. God, I beg you. You're the only one that can fight our battles. You're the only one that can save us.
Amen. Amen.
God, please. God, please.
Nkechi, what are you doing here?
I didn't do it. Ella, believe me, I swear to God, I didn't know what came over me. I don't know what is propelling me to do the things I don't want to do. I am sorry. I am sorry, Dad.
You are just a shameless fool. You have no shame at all to even think about sleeping with my man, my own man. Look at you, calling yourself daughter of Zion. But deep inside your heart, it is evil, pure evil.
No, Ella, you know I'm not evil. I am not. Just that I don't know what is wrong with me. Mama, please. I am sorry. For the sake of our friendship, forgive me. You know I can't do that on purpose. I'm sorry. Ella, I'm sorry.
At first, I doubted my man. I was ready to swallow poison because I deemed you immaculate. But you have successfully blindsided me.
I'm sorry.
What else are you trying to say? What else do you have to say?
I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me because I'm sorry.
You are nothing but an absolute disgrace. You know what, Nkechi? Take this your disgusting body out from this compound. And please, don't ever show your ugly face again. Don't ever try it.
Ella, I'm your best friend.
Best gift.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take it out from this compound. Take it out from this
Ella,
compound.
because then I'm sorry, Papa. Papa, I didn't do it intentionally. I didn't do it. I'm sorry. Ella! Ella, I'm sorry. Papa, because then Ella!
Hey, Nkechi, I was just coming at your place. Nkechi, I didn't see anyone in your house. I just came out from your compound. Are you okay? Okay. Let's go.
Nkechi is a virgin. I can't do this to her. I just hope she forgives me for attempting to take advantage of her.
Jesus!
I did not touch you. I did not touch you. I did not. I wanted to, but I realized that no man has been there before. No man has been, you know what I mean? You're still a virgin, and then I stopped. I didn't do anything, no. I swear.
Chibuzo, Chibuzo, I only rejected your proposal. And nothing changes after that. Chibuzo, I never knew you could plot this evil against me.
There is nothing to know. I didn't do anything now.
Why am I naked if you did not do anything?
No, I was actually, but nothing happened. I realized you're still a virgin, and then I respected myself. You see, Nkechi, I had to stop because it is very rare in this generation to see a woman that is still a virgin at your age. A virtuous woman and all that, that made me to stop, because it will be an evil thing if I had went on to. I had to stop.
I hate you. I hate you. What did you do to me?
Check it.
What did you do to me?
Nkechi, listen now. I'm being honest with you now. Bianu now. I really don't know what is wrong with your daughter, Nkechi. It is beginning to get out of hands.
I too do not know what is wrong with my daughter.
Mama, I'm beginning to think Nkechi is possessed by some strange spirit. Yes. Because what she has been exhibiting is called kleptomania. And it is caused by some strong psychological or supernatural force. Obahaka, Mama.
I don't know. They can't be possessed with
kleptomania, Mama. People that steals unnecessarily.
I don't know what to say.
So what do we do now, Mama? What do we do?
What to do? Honestly, cannot keep pretending as if I don't need help. I need help, Mama. What is all this? What is all this? I am tired. I'm tired.
Mama, Chibuzo is right. At this point, we need help. We need to look for solution. But the question now is, what do we do? Where do we go from here? How do we get the solution? Hi.
Obia.
Obia.
Not again.
Not again. I told you, Mama. You see what I've been talking about, Mama.
Hi. Not again. Oh, Mama, what's all this?
I'm tired. I don't even know what to do again.
What kind of problem is this?
I don't know. Can I be running after a full-grown adult? As not
Mama, I hope Sister Nkechi is in safe hands too. I'm just thinking, maybe we would have just locked her up inside this house instead of allowing her to go with that Chibuzo.
Oh, wait for me. I don't see anything wrong with her going with Chibuzo. Makanike Nkechi Agugom. I am tired. So please allow her to go with Chibuzo people.
No, Mama, I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Eh? I don't trust that guy. What if he gets tired of her and send her out of the house? Then it will be double shame. I know that we have been through a lot. She have caused us so much pain. But letting her stay with that guy, the guy might get tired of her and send her out to the village, and everybody will now know that something is wrong with her.
He's not that kind of person. He will not get tired of her. Chibuzo is a different breed.
Mama, I don't trust that guy. I don't trust him. I don't.
I trust him. I trust him, yes. He will not throw her out. But if he gets tired of her, so what he will bring her back to us. We'll continue from where he stopped.
Mama, still, Sister Nkechi is our family. We should not leave her dejected and depressed and staying with a total stranger.
No. You know what is happening here? Love is happening. Chibuzo is not that kind of person. Look at when she took off. We couldn't even run after her. Mana Chibuzo, he wasn't even hesitant. He ran after her.
Mama, it's not alone.
Yes, and as if that wasn't enough, he came back to collect her clothes. It's same man, no love. Yeah, all love. That is what it is called.
I'm worried though. I'm just worried about her.
I'm not worried. Love is silly.
Chibuzo, I feel I don't deserve you in any way. Honestly, I feel very horrible turning you down. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I understand. It is high time we focused on what the future holds.
Chibuzo, I voluntarily turned you down. I'm sorry. I don't know if you still love me the way you did.
Of course. I love you. True love never fades. I have come to love you even more. Okay? And I will always love you. Oh, Bim. Oh, Tom. I love you. Okay?
Chibuzo, you know my predicament. You know the problem I am facing. I can't predict anything. I feel that you're going to leave me someday. I'm scared.
Nkechi, I want you to believe my words. Predicament or no predicament, nothing will ever come between you and I. Omame, do you understand?
Are you sure?
I am more than sure. I've never been sure like I am now in my whole life. I love you.
I love you too.
Welcome.
Oh yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Oh yeah. Who will bell the cattle? Who knows where they start so? These are the many, many questions I keep on asking myself. Who knows why I'm like this? Who knows the sense of my ordeal? Jukwoki kebiakeno. Wanke modezi cheo. Kedive melune no wambeludoi. Jukwoki kebiakeno.
Something is God that makes me to love him. He's a covenant keeping God. Consistency in all his ways. the lover of my soul. Father, this heart beats for you. Lord, you are a covenant keeping God. Consistency in all his ways. Oh, Jesus, my Father, you said I should call upon you in times of trouble, that you will answer me. God, I kneel before you at this hour and I call you. God, you say before I was born and conceived in my mother's womb that you know me and planned what I will be. God, what is happening to me? God, you alone can heal my diseases. Oh God, I am here before thee. I don't know what is happening to me. You alone knows, and you alone can heal me. God, I am here seeking for your mercy, oh God. Anywhere I have sinned and fallen short of your glory, Lord, in your mercy, forgive me. God, I have suffered. I don't know what is wrong with me, God. God, you said in your word that we should call upon you in the time of trouble, that you will answer me. God, you say we should come to you, those who are heavy laden. God, I am here before thee. God, do not allow me to be put to shame, oh God, my Lord and my God. My Lord and my God, heal me, oh God. God, have mercy on me, oh God, have mercy on me. That is why you are called Jehovah. That is why you are called Jehovah. What you say you will do, Lord, that is what you have done. That is why you are called Jehovah. Jehovah, you are the Most High.
Babe, we have searched everywhere, yet we can't find the document. Are you sure you gave it to your father?
Of course I did. I gave it to him. And I know he kept it somewhere in this room. Just that I don't know the particular place.
So why can't we find it? Babe, you have less than 30 minutes to submit that document. So they can approve it. Eh? We are talking of 3 million naira. Not 30,000 naira, not 3,000 naira.
What am I going to do now? What will I do? And my father is not at home.
Yes, this last drawer, you have not checked it.
Babe, there is nothing there. There is nothing inside. That drawer has never been opened since I was small. And my father warned me not to open it. He told me to keep off.
Really? Listen, we have to find a way and break the drawer. We have to. That is the only option we have right now.
But I just told you that my father instructed me not to go there.
Honey, we are talking about 3 million naira. Not 3,000 naira. Not 300,000 naira. But 3 million. Hey. Please. This is not an inconsequential matter to allow it pass by. You've checked this before.
What kind of temptation is this?
I don't have time. Let's be fast. Do something.
Do what?
Act.
What do you want me to do?
You're a man. Do something. Break it.
Break what? I told you that my father is not
Go against it. Go against it.
No, babe, please.
She finally accepted.
What do you mean she finally? You must terminate it. You must.
Why?
Can't you see that this girl is a problematic figure to anything?
Why your voice? She will hear what you're saying.
This girl, I don't care. She's a problematic figure to anything she associates with. You can't be in love with someone who is possessed.
Enough. What is it now? What's the meaning of this? Allow me to deal with her troubles. Am I complaining? I am not complaining. Okay,
with someone who is possessed, Obanja.
Hapu, yeah. I love her. Whichever way she is, I love her like that.
Chebozo. I pity you.
Hapu go
I pity your life.
Hapu go Nkechi. Why did you call me? What is it now? You look worried. Why did you call?
I'm at the verge of losing a whole sum of 3 million naira. I have been pursuing this money for over 4 years now. The money is about to go down the drain.
Wait, you told me about this. The company, are they willing to pay the money now?
They gave me a stipulation of 1 week to gather the required document and submit them for verification. I got the news today.
What? This is serious.
I have those documents. I have them. I gave them to my father for safety purpose, but I don't know where he went to.
Wait. If this document, like you said, has been with your father, that means it should be in one of the rooms in your father's house.
I have searched everywhere. I've searched all the nooks and crannies of this house, but I could not find it. It's nowhere to be found.
This is sad though.
I've lost it already. It's gone. All my efforts.
It's not good.
It's gone. It's gone.
How can document you gave to your...
See someone you are in love with. Yeah. You take all the naira. My friend, come here. What's your problem? She doesn't know what she's doing. Let her. They do not get like this. Then why am I asking you to open like this? Let her. Just let her. Just allow. Each time this thing comes, I always let her. Baby. Someone that you are in love with. What is your problem? Hi. Let her. Can you imagine? Today we will know about one.
Stanley, we really need to talk right now. Sit.
What is it?
Something doesn't seem right with the drawer your father locked up in his room.
Babe, we already talked about it. Why are you still bringing it up?
I know we did. You need to wise up and discard the fact that he is your father. He might have negative intention towards you. If not, why permanently locked that drawer? Why?
My father gave me an instruction. I kept it and I'm willing to stick to it.
Stanley, have you ever sat down to think about the contents of the drawer? Have you? Why your father never allow you get close to the drawer?
I'm just an obedient son. I sense nothing exciting about knowing what the content is. What do you perceive?
Suspicion.
About what?
I don't know. I can't really place it right now, but to me, it's strange. My love, your father doesn't mean well for you. He must have some concussion locked up in that drawer that hampers your destiny from fulfilling.
What? Are you saying that my father is evil?
Okay, you will have answer to that only when you break that padlock. Just look at you. You work so hard with no result to show for it. Eh? Just look at Chibuzo. He has house of his own. Eh? He has money. He's doing well for himself. You, Stanley, you have a work that pays off more. But nothing to show for it. Can you imagine? See where we're living? Eh? Your father's house. Eh? That is where we are still living at this age of your life.
Babe, forget about all these things you're saying. I still kick against believing that my father has a hand in disrupting my progress. So I don't know. Don't know what you're saying.
This is it. For you to satisfy your conscience, all you have to do is break the padlock. Break the padlock. In that way, you will satisfy your conscience.
Jesus!
Told you. I told you. I told you.
It's okay. Everything is gonna be fine.
For how long? For how long?
As long as we don't give up. Okay?
Chibuzo, you don't know what I am feeling. You don't know how I am feeling.
Listen.
You don't know.
We all know that prayer is the key. We have prayed. Let's have faith and wait on God to do what he does best.
This is too much for me. It's too much for one person to bear. I'm tired.
You have to be strong. Okay? You must fight it. Fight it. You have to be strong inside. Let me check this out.
Mama?
No.
Sit.
Mama, I am happy you decided to visit us. Thank you.
Thank you. Mala, what is going on? You know?
Mama, Opokwala Nakao, that's gotten out of hand, so it is getting worse, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So, how are you people? How have you been coping?
You know, Mama, I had no choice than to allow her do whatever she wants to do. Each time I suspect that force has gotten into her body. And I decided to not allow her step out of this house to avoid public embarrassment.
Nkechi herself said that, she didn't even know when the change came. And, we all know why I'm here. We can't just sit back and watch things go wrong. Let us find out how to solve this problem. Makana problem adulini.
Mama. Well, I'm happy you're speaking my mind as well. I had the same thought before you stepped into this place. So how are we going to go about it?
What? What is going on here? What? Stanley! How many times have I warned you not to go to that room, not to go to that table, take more of the drawer? Do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me, Stanley? Do you want to kill me?
Mama, I have an idea.
Which is?
I have come to realize that what is disturbing Nkechi is related to something supernatural.
A spiritual attack?
Yes, it's a spiritual attack, Mama. Like a spiritual force that comes, boom!
Otie.
And she changes immediately upon Amado.
Banamu.
So I suggest, Mama, we involve a pastor, a very strong pastor.
Pastor.
Mama? Get Mama water. Mama. Obiago, Mama. Just watch, Mama. This is what she does each time that thing comes. If you allow her, she might steal this television and inside her cloth as well. Everything. Mama, this force Neriko.
Do you want to kill me? Nonsense. Not nonsense.
Stanley, you mean you will sit here and watch him go out without doing anything? You have visibly seen that your destiny is in the hands of your enemy and you are not pushed into action. Stanley, you have to go and get that key. Yes! Collect it from him! Destroy it, unlock it, damage it so you can have your freedom.
I'm confused.
This is not time for you to be confused. You don't need this moment. Just go out and do the needful, please. I'm begging you. We're talking about your freedom here. You need to be set free. Just go. Go and get it.
But you have to tell me everything about this padlock.
Well, son, this padlock has nothing to do with you.
Liar! Liar! Stanley, get this from him. Get the padlock from him. He's holding you captive.
I'm telling you this, son. The truth and nothing but the truth. This padlock has nothing to do with you. That is the truth.
Please don't listen to him. He's trying to convince you. Listen, this is what you're going to do. Collect it from him. You're still young and vibrant. Get it from him so you'll be free.
For the last time, give me this padlock.
It is me you believe, son. Believe me, son.
Get it from him.
This padlock has nothing to do with you.
Yes. You're young and vibrant. Get it from him. Nice.
Son, this padlock has nothing to do with you.
Papa, tell me something about this padlock. I'll break it all.
Hold on. But, you see? The thing is that don't break this padlock. You see, there is this padlock has nothing to do with you. But don't break it. Don't break it.
What do you mean I should not break it? Then tell me something about this padlock. You're telling me that I should not break it. I should not break it. Say something, or I'll break it all.
That is what I'm saying. This particular padlock has nothing to do with my son. It's just that okay. Something happened so many years ago. I have to tell you the truth. Something happened, and your late mother actually died with grudges in her heart because of one or two mistakes I did unknowingly, and that was why. So she actually placed a curse on her. So all the things you see her do, whatever she is doing or she has been doing, wasn't intentional. Yes, and your husband
Borrowed money from me.
No, did not borrow money from me, but came to me begging for one or two assistants. Just your husband came and pleaded with me that I should come and do one or two things with you, since he himself couldn't perform, he couldn't pregnant a woman. So what happened was that we both of us actually planned it. We successfully planned it, and then carried the plan out, induced you to a very deep sleep, and I entered. Actually, I did one or two things, and that was then. It's not now. I'm coming. So you can really find a place in your heart to forgive. When that happened, my late wife, out of anger, bitterness, when she placed that curse, that same day, she connected with her ancestors. When I went to the backyard, I saw this padlock behind the corpse. I picked it. I actually visited a soothsayer, and the seer told me to be careful with the padlock, that I should protect this padlock because my life is somehow tied to the padlock for all the days of my life. And I wish I did. At any day the padlock is opened, that I will be no more. And I have been protecting it. And the summary of the story is that this whole thing happened unknowingly. So she is my daughter, as a matter of fact.
What?
That's your brother.
Yeah?
I just want you people to live peacefully, harmoniously. I am ready to sacrifice anything, to sacrifice even my life. So you people should live well. But please, each of you should find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Never.
Nkechi is my sister.
But that is the way it is. Nature made it so. I did that work and it worked out.
Papa, I still have to break this padlock.
No,
yes, I will break it.
Yes.
I am ready to sacrifice. Let anything happen. Anything can happen. So long as you have your life, you have your peace.
Yes.
Okay, Papa.
Mama!
Hey! What the couple go?
Mama,
are you okay?
Sister, I'm okay now.
You're okay, are you sure?
I'm very okay.
Very good.
Yes, she is your sister.
There's nothing.
But you people should.
Ella.
Sorry. Are you not going to die?
First and foremost, I want to thank all of you once more for forgiving me. Thank you so much. I also want to thank God for sparing my life after all this. Initially, I was finding it difficult on how to go about the whole thing, how to salvage the situation. But here we are now. So, to God be the glory for everything. Once more, I'm thanking God and I'm thanking all of you for everything. Yes. There is this little piece of advice I would like to share with you people. You see, whatever we do, even from our thoughts, we should be conscious of our thoughts, our words, our actions, our footsteps. These things are very, very important because by so doing, we'll be guided by God and then staying away from certain challenges. As a matter of fact, it takes only the grace of God, the intervention of God for a turnaround. Just like the one we are celebrating now, I should say we're celebrating a turnaround in this family. You see, like I was saying, we should kindly live in kindness, love, peace. Let peace and harmony abide. If we live in kindness and love with each other, we'll be able to love each other all the time. No negative thought will come up. Please, I want to plead that we continue to live as the very one family we have been, one big family, one loving family, one big family of unity. Let us continue to live with that, and we'll leave the rest from God. I thank you people once more. We should brighten up. As in Abacha, After the rain comes sunshine.
Some rain continues. Mama! Okay.
It's like people have not forgiven me.
But why you people have not forgiven you?
Uncle, Papa, we are forgiving you.
It's okay, thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who will bell the cattle? Who knows where they start so? These are the many, many questions I keep on asking myself. Who knows why I'm like this? Who knows the sense of my ordeal? Jukwoki kebiakeno. One came on this show. Could even melune no one beludoi. Jukwoki kebiakeno.